make it turn so every specialist can involve somewhere in that wheel. But imagine as a nurse, the patient tells you something, tells about his problem. One way or another, you have to invite disciplines to talk about the problem of the patient. And therefore, it's important that the nurses have a little bit of knowledge about